Good morning, nursery class. Today is day 4. Please open your funmatic book, page number. Okay, page number 5. Page number 4 is your homework. Write the missing numbers from 0 to 10. This is your homework and this is your classwork. Write date, CW. Look at these pictures carefully and tick the bigger one. These are two balls, but this is big, so we tick it. These are two ducks. This duck is big one, so we tick it. These are chairs. This chair is big. These are two cars, but this car is big, so we tick it. Okay, student, this page number 5 is done now. Now you learn the concept of big and small. Thank you.